Welcome back. And in our top business story, Emirates Airlines is set to take on 10,000 new staff this year, according to a senior official. According to a local paper, Boutros, the carrier's divisional senior VP for media relations, sponsorship and events, has revealed that the new professionals will manage the airline's new expansion as 30 new aircrafts will join the fleet. Currently, Emirates Group has 60,000 people on its payroll, which flies to over 130 destinations with a fleet of 171 aircrafts. Boutros added that Emirates covers 95% of the world's population within 16 hours of flight time. Abu Dhabi's NMC Healthcare is expecting a strong interest from Middle Eastern investors when it starts its initial public offering on the London Stock Exchange. The IPO is worth $250 million, a deal that values the company at $1 billion. According to a local paper, a spokesperson from Deutsche Bank, who are coordinating the deal, are expecting demand to come from regional clients, specialist healthcare clients, and FTSE specialised funds in the UK. They added that NMC Healthcare decided on a foreign listing due to higher liquidity in the London market, along with easier access to emerging market investors. The listing announcement was made on Thursday. Sovereign wealth funds from Abu Dhabi and Qatar are in the running for the takeover of London landmark Battersea Power Station. A UK Sunday paper revealed that Li Ka-shing, Hong Kong's richest man, has also taken a serious interest in the sale, and the deadline for the first round bids will be in May. So far, according to the UK paper, investor interest has also come in from Barclay Group Holdings, British Land and Land Securities Group, adding that the power station would attract bids of £250 to £350 million. And let's now look at the stock indices across the GCC. To discuss the currency markets and the light economic calendar coming up and what to watch out for, we spoke to Gaurav Kashyap from Alpari Middle East DMCC.
It was a light week on the economic calendar last week, and we can expect more of the same in trading this week. Among some of the key headline numbers would be the Reserve Bank of Australia's meeting minutes along with the Bank of England's meeting minutes. Both are expected to announce their decisions tomorrow. Now, of course, we didn't expect to see any changes from the Reserve Bank of Australia. They held rates at 4.25%, but what we can expect to see is continued dovish sentiment dragging the Australian dollar lower against the US dollar. I think the play here, Laura, is to look at probably selling opportunities in the Australian dollar against the US dollar around 1.07 levels. Now, the reason I say this is we've seen GDP growth weakening from Australia. We've seen employment figures remaining soft. And the main thing is that China has also toned down their growth prospects. We've seen the People's Bank of China reduce their growth target from 8% to 7.5%, and this directly affects the prospects for the Australian dollar. We're probably looking for a move in the Australian dollar to below 1.05 as the RBA is expected to maintain their dovish stance regarding easing monetary policy. Over across the Bank of England, we can expect similar conditions there, with the Bank of England remaining dovish against raising the asset purchase program. Now, in the previous meeting minutes, we saw two MPC members, Posen and Miles, voting for an increase to £75 billion. We were going to be closely watching that voting pattern. If we see an increase to maybe 3 members, then we could see the prospects for the GBP being very, very bearish in trading this week. Overall, we can expect the pair to test that channel between 155 and 156, but by far these are the two currencies we were watching this week.